Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Ford. The report was first published on our website Tuesday, August 2, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Ford? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 22, 2022, our system ranks the Ford stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 1.359. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 18.25% since we first told you to buy Ford 8 days ago. This is an average return of 2.28% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Ford, our last headline reads, Ford stock downgraded to buy candidate. The Ford stock price fell by minus 1.17% on the last day, Tuesday, August 2, 2022, from $15.34 to $15.16. During the day, the stock fluctuated 2.18% from a day low at $15.12 to a day high of $15.45. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 20.41% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by minus 35 million shares and in total, 74 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.13 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $25.87, and the lowest price was $10.61. Right now the price is 41.4%, or $10.71, below 52-week high at $25.87, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $15.32 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 6.24% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 33.53% and minus 5.23%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 10.78% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between minus 41.97% and 39.13%. This equals a price between $8.80 and $21.09 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Ford stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Ford stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Ford. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Ford stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $13.97 and $12.20. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 1, 2022, and so far it has fallen minus 1.17%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 118 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Ford. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $14 and $12.83. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Ford finds support just below today's level at $14. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $12.83 and $11.81. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 33 cents between high and low, or 2.18%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.71%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Ford. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Ford currently has a price-earning ratio of 5.06. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Ford meets first resistance at $15.34. If you do not hold Ford shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Ford finds first level of support at $14, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Ford is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 1, 2022, Weimar John B. made an inside buy of 1,012 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Vojvodich Lin M. made an inside buy of 866 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Weinberg John S. made an inside buy of 1,299 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Thornton John L. made an inside buy of 2,440 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Kennard William E. made an inside buy of 1,117 of Ford stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 45.825. In total, the insiders bought 3,778,466 and sold 1,270,586 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $14.59, minus 3.75%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 85 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is Ford stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Wednesday 3rd, we expect Ford to open up $0.0833 and start trading at $15.24. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.